Hello guys, it is so windy today. Look at this netting. It's blowing. Got Storm Eunice coming on Friday. I know this feels like it, but I don't think it is. The jacket's blowing everywhere. Anyway, what I should have said to you on my first time recording, Happy New Year. Also, for a few days ago, Happy Valentine's Day. I know it's over, but I didn't record on Valentine's Day. It's very windy. Some very loud gales occasionally happening. Just waiting for another loud gale. It's kind of raining a little bit, but not that much. Some very fine rain. Goodbye.